give Matthew a round of applause.
We will be doing a drop everything and pie, so you don't need to bring anything with you to class. In math class, we will only be doing activities involving pi. This might sound like an irrational thing to do, but pi is a very special number in math, and we would love to celebrate it. We don't want to go on and on forever, so we'd like to introduce the 5th grade to now give you some facts about this impressive concept.
All the digits of pi can never be known, and we have known about pi for almost 4,000 years.
Mathematicians began using the Greek letter pi in the 1700s. Today is Steph Curry's and Albert Einstein's birthday.
Ancient Egyptians used pi to build the pyramids. You can calculate the spherical volume of the universe with the first 39 digits of pi.
Pi was first celebrated in 1988, and pi equals an infinite amount of numbers.
It would take 133 years for a person to recite the 6.4 billion known digits of pi without stopping. Pi is the ratio of any circle's circumference to its diameter. This means the length around the circle is a little more than 3 times as long as the length across the center of the circle.